Hi friends, this is your Sringala. In last video, we have discussed about the similar, dissimilar figures. What are similar figures? Mainly the similar figure. What are similar figures? What are similar polygons? The definition of similar polygons, that means, and some of the examples of similar polygons are also given. Once I want to memorize all of them, just 1 second. All the polygons which have the same number of sides are similar if the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That means the corresponding sides are in proportion. Observe here whether the given points here I wrote 6 points. All the squares, how they are, similar or dissimilar. All the equilateral triangles, whether they are similar or dissimilar. Isosceles triangles. Once I want to discuss all of them. All the squares. Suppose squares here. It is a square. Square means all the sides are equal. Next, it is also a square, but the sides, here suppose this is 3, this much is 4.2, and all should be 4.2 only. Here this 3, 3, 3, 3. Next, like this only, if I take this much as, suppose 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. If it is a square, then all the sides are equal. And we know that all the angles are also equal and they are all right angles only in a square. So, in this square, all the right angles. In this square, all the angles are right angles only. Here, right angles only. So, if you observe only these two polygons or these two squares, corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now, 3, 4.2, 3 by 4.2. Same in 3 by 4.2, 3 by 4.2, 3 by 4.2. Suppose if we observe these two, 4.2, 5. 4.2 by 5, 4.2 by 5. The comparison. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio and the angles are equal. Not only these three, all the squares. Squares means there should be the angles should be 90 degrees, means right angles, and the sides, all sides are equal. If two polygons are compared, then compulsory the sides are in the same ratio only. So all the squares are similar. I am writing here as similar. All the equilateral triangles. How the equilateral triangles? Observe. Suppose equilateral triangle means all the angles in a triangle are equal and each is equal to 60, we know. All the sides are equal. In the similar way, already in the last video we have already discussed 60, 60, 60 only. Suppose this much is 3, 3, 3. This is the each side is of length 4. 4, 4, 4. Now the ratio is 3:4, 3:4, 3:4. Ratio between the sides. And the angles are 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. So corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Not only these two equilateral triangles, all the equilateral triangles are similar only. All the equilateral triangles are similar. Now observe whether all the isosceles triangles are similar or dissimilar. Now it is an isosceles triangle. Here 45, 45. The sides opposite to equal angles are equal, means this and opposite this much equal. And here 50, 50. Two angles are equal. So it is an isosceles. This much and this much are equal. Next 40, 40 means these two are equal. And 30, 30 means this side and this side are equal. So what do you observe? In these two triangles, suppose 45, 45 equal angles, so it is an isosceles. 50, 50 equal angles, so it is also an isosceles. Now comparing these two isosceles triangles, 45, 50, 45, 50, 90, 80. Here if you observe, the angles are corresponding angles. So suppose this and this corresponding angles are not equal. No need of observing the sides here. So these are not similar. In the similar way remaining, all the isosceles triangles are not similar. Not similar. Suppose if we take like this 50, 50 and 80 is extended. Later, here this much is again by taking a side which is equal to this third side. Here we will get this much is 80 and this much is 50, because in this bigger triangle we will observe 50, 80 and 50. So what do you observe? Suppose it is triangle ABC and DE is parallel to BC, then ABC and triangle ADE, these two are similar because corresponding angles are equal and the sides are in the same ratio, because AB same length only. Here we observe, and AC, AB, BC same length. So AB is extended like this and BC is also extended in the same ratio. If these two are parallel, automatically we observe that the angles are, the sides are also proportionally they will increase. So later I will explain about this. So what do we observe? All the isosceles triangles are not similar. If the isosceles triangles with the same vertex are taken, then they are similar. Now observe two polygons with same number of sides. If their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are equal. Two polygons. Suppose I am taking a sphere. Another sphere only. Same number of sides. 4 sides, 4 sides. Corresponding angles are equal and then corresponding sides are equal. Here two corresponding angles, first, second, third, fourth are equal. But sides are not equal. Sides are in the same ratio. Already we have already discussed about the squares. Here, suppose if we take another square with the same length, suppose this much is 3, this is 3 only. So square means all sides are equal, means 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. All angles are equal, therefore all are 90 only. Then two polygons with same number of sides and their corresponding angles are equal, then you have to say they are similar. So two polygons with same number of sides are similar. if the corresponding angles are equal. Not only these squares, we may take hexagons or pentagons, any other polygon we may take, like that only. Next, reduced or enlarged photographs of an object are also similar, because suppose it is an object. The photograph this much is here. It is as it is we are taking. This much is enlarged. Suppose if we take a square with 2 units, 2, 2, 2, 2, then this and this are. If you observe, actual object is 3, but here we are taking this is as smaller than this much. But it is similar to this much. Therefore, we say that this much is known as reduced figure. Reduced or enlarged photographs of an object are similar only. Next, the last concept is rhombus and squares are similar or dissimilar. First, rhombus means all the sides are equal. Square means here also all sides are equal, but in square all the angles are equal and all are equal to 90 degree. That means all are right angles only. But in rhombus, if you observe, opposite angles are equal, and the adjacent angles are supplementary. Means sum of these two is 180, sum of these two is 180, sum of these two is 180. Opposite angles are equal, opposite angles are equal, and adjacent angles are supplementary. So what do you observe? This angle, and this much is corresponding angles. This and this corresponding angles only. But the corresponding angles, when we compare, the corresponding angles are not equal. Suppose this much is 50 degree. This is also 50. Next, this much is 50. This is 130. 130, 180 total. So this much is also 130. So what do you observe? 130, here 90. 50, 90. 130, 90. So corresponding angles are not equal. Same number of sides only. Two polygons with same number of sides. But the corresponding angles are not equal. Therefore, these are not similar to each other. Not similar to each other. Okay, later. Now, observe all these figures by comparing the first and second figures. First angle, second angle, third angle, fourth angle. All the corresponding angles are equal. Now observe the corresponding sides. Suppose 3 and 6 are corresponding. 3, 6, 4, 8. Again 3, 6 only. This much is 4, this much is 8. Now the ratio of corresponding sides is also taken as the scale factor. Here we have to observe the scale factor. Suppose the scale factor is to be taken as K. Now observe the K for these two triangles. These two figures, whether they are similar or not, by observing the K value, we can say, here you see 3, this much is 6, 3 by 6. And the second one 4 and this is 8, 4 by 8. Next 3, here 6, 3 by 6. And 4 and 8, 4 by 8. 3 ones are 2s are, 4 ones are, 4 2s are, 4 3 ones are, 3 2s are, 4 ones are, 4 2s are. So what do you observe? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Scale factor is 1 by 2. Next. So the ratio, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, these two figures are similar. Next, observe the first and third figures. Here 3, here 3, here 4, here 4. So 3, 3 corresponding sides, 4, 4 corresponding sides, again 3, 3 corresponding sides, 4, 4 corresponding sides. Angles in 3, 4 in between 90, 3, 4 in between 90 only. Now observe, in a similar way, 3, here we have to observe the scale factor of these two figures. K is equal to here 3, 3, 3 by 3, and this much is 4. So second is 4, 4 by 4, and this is 3, 4, 3, and here the third one is 3, 3 by 3, and this is 4, first, second, third, fourth. The first, second, third, fourth, 4 by 4. So we are getting 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. Always we are getting 1. So here the scale factor is 1. Means the sides are in the same ratio. Angles are equal. Therefore, these two are also similar. Next, not only similar, if you observe, the angles are equal, the sides are also equal. In the scale factor, we are getting 1 means the sides are not only in the same ratio but also equal, means the figures are in the same shape and also in the same size. Therefore, they are said to be congruent figures. These two are similar. These two are similar as well as congruent. Next, first and fourth figures. Here 3 equal to 3, here 3 is there. Therefore, suppose these two are corresponding sides. Observe 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 4, 3, 4. Now, by observing the scale factor is K, whether it is equal to all the sides, corresponding sides. 3, 3, 3 by 3, and 4, 4, 6, 4 by 6, 4, 3, 3, 3, 6, this much is 6, 4, 6, 4 by 6, and 3, 3, 3 by 3, and 4, 6, 4 by 6. By observing these, 3 by 3, 1, 4 by 6, the 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 by 3, and 3 by 3, 1, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. But what do we observe? 1 is not equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is not equal to 1. 1 is not equal to 2 by 3. So, here we are not getting the scale factor. Therefore, first and fourth are not similar. The corresponding sides ratio is same. Then we say that they are all similar figures, otherwise they are not similar figures. Here we are not getting the scale factor, means the ratio of the corresponding sides is not equal. Therefore, these two are not similar. So finally we conclude that all the similar figures may or may not congruent, but all the congruent figures are always similar. Thanks for watching our channel. If you like, please subscribe and share it to others. Thank you.